10 simple vocabulary words with meaning starting with the letter K that you might encounter in daily routines. Key, meaning an object used to open a lock or start a machine. Kid, meaning a child or young person. Kick, meaning to strike with the foot. Kite, meaning a toy made of a light frame covered with paper or cloth, flown in the wind. Knot, meaning a tied or tangled loop in a rope or string. King, meaning a male ruler of a country. Kitten, meaning a young cat. Knee, meaning the joint between the thigh and the lower leg. Keep, meaning to have or retain possession of something. Kind, meaning showing empathy or generosity towards others.